Your hair is so beautiful. It is not thin, it is so thick and luscious. So luscious. Luscious.
कुछ हरा है Angelique तुम नहीं समझोगी
Hey.
तुम नहीं समझोगी
Yes, I told you so many times.
Mess up my rhythm, yo.
Oh my god.
Okay, quiet, silence. Good morning and welcome to RK Studios in Mumbai. You have all come here today to audition for my epic masterpiece film. Huh? What is the problem? I just said that the name of the film is Hey! Stop beeping me, man. This story is the story of a young man who leaves his homeland of India to go and study in the scary place of America. There, he will meet a beautiful girl whom he falls in love with. But wait, there is a problem. The villain is also in love with the beautiful girl. Our hero must fight to save the girl from the evil villain. Only then will he become a true hero. This will be the greatest film to be made under $20. Our hero must be a Superman also, because in this film he will be doing stunts. He will be jumping from Japan to China. That is the true hero. This will Chai, please. Chai. Thank you. This film is very unique and special. There will be no broom broom doom doom motorcycle. There will be no blue aliens. There will be no animal elephant fighting and all. That is all very scary. I don't like it. Since this will be the best film in the world, I am looking for the best actors. And I know that each one of you will be the best heroes for me today. Okay, enough silly time. Now, you will all speak a famous cinema dialogue. For the ladies, मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश. Great, right? For the gentlemen, कुछ कुछ होता है अंजलि, तुम नहीं समझोगी. Yes, hello.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती.
कुछ कुछ होता है अंजलि, तुम नहीं समझोगी.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती.
Sorry, I'm just a little nervous.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी रमेश. मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश. मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश.
What is this crap, man? I don't even understand this. कुछ होता है अंजलि, तुम नहीं समझोगी.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती. Okay. Wait, should I say it again or should I just like?
You try one more time.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश.
कुछ होता है अंजलि तुम नहीं समझोगी कुछ होता है हो
तुम नहीं समझोगी.
Okay. All right. मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश.
कुछ होता है, कुछ होता है,
कुछ होता है अंज होता है अंजलि
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती.
Excuse me.
अंजलि कुछ होता है. I thought this was an English audition. What are you doing to me?
मैं तुम्हारे साथ जी नहीं सकती रमेश.
No, बेटी. बिना. हाँ.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना जी नहीं सकती लोकेश.
नहीं. रमेश.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती.
तुम नहीं समझोगी. बाथरूम में स्टेप.
Kuch hota hai, Angeli. Jelly. Oh, it's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
कुछ होता है अंजलि, तुम नहीं समझोगी.
Namaskar. Auntie, 1 minute.
Anjali.
Auntie, we are looking for hot babes.
What are you calling auntie? हैं?
You need to show more feeling, more love.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश.
Wait yet. कुछ होता है.
कुछ होता है.
Now देखो. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Yo, that dude's straight terrible.
What are you doing here?
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश.
Huh?
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश.
The wrap and the thing. Peanut butter jelly, what the hell is that?
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती रमेश.
This is terrible. These actors are useless. My life.
What's up, dog? I need my own dressing room. Ooh, and we should get that
Excuse
Archie
me.
girl.
Push off. You wait. Excuse me.
No, you gotta listen
you wait,
to me.
Excuse me, please. You wait. I'm having some moment.
I got
These
you.
actors are terrible.
I got you.
Yeah, no, you take your hands. But my direction is great. This movie will be fabulous. The shooting will start tonight.
I can be hot.
Eh?